If you want to save time and make more money, then there's only one solution: AI tools. And in this video, we're going to be counting down 14 of the best AI tools for freelancers in 2025, each of which can automate tasks, find you more clients, manage projects, and actually close deals on your behalf. So let's get into it. First up is Umar, and this is Upwork's mindful AI, designed specifically for freelancers. Now, the best way to think about this is imagine having a personal assistant that helps you craft compelling proposals and brainstorms ideas. You see, the way Umar works is by using advanced algorithms to analyze job postings on Upwork and then suggest how you should tailor your proposals to stand out from the rest. Now, it can even organize your thoughts when you're feeling overwhelmed by client requests. This is a great tool for everyone, but especially those who are just starting out and are not really that confident with structuring client proposals. For instance, let's say you're a freelance graphic designer pitching for a new project. Umar can help you outline your proposal by suggesting key points to include based on what clients typically look for. It's kind of like having an AI brainstorming buddy. Plus, it learns from your style over time, making its suggestions even more personalized. So if you want to save time and impress clients with well-structured proposals, Umar is definitely worth checking out. Next on our list is ChatGPT, which you should already know about. It's an incredibly versatile AI chatbot that can assist you in pretty much every single task. Whether you're drafting emails, generating content ideas, or even coding snippets, ChatGPT should definitely be on your bookmark list. Now, just imagine you're a freelance writer struggling with writer's block. All you have to do is simply type in a topic or prompt, and ChatGPT can generate multiple outlines or even full paragraphs for you to work with. It's not just limited to writing either. If you're working on projects that require coding, it can help generate code snippets based on specifications. And again, just like Umar, it learns from your interactions. So the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your style and preferences. Of course, if you are a freelancer, just remember, ChatGPT is a tool to utilize, not a tool to do your job for you. Clients will notice. At number 12 is Otter, an amazing transcription service that captures conversations in real time. So if you're like me and you just always forget to take notes during client meetings, this one could save you. This tool works by transcribing every spoken word during calls or discussions automatically. So let's say you're a virtual assistant attending client meetings. Instead of frantically jotting down notes while trying to engage in conversation, Otter does it all for you. And after the meeting, you'll have a complete transcript ready to review. You can even highlight key points and create summaries directly within the app. This means that you can focus on the conversation and selling your services rather than being distracted trying to note everything down. It's perfect for freelancers who juggle multiple clients, regularly have meetings, and need reliable documentation without the stress of doing it themselves. Coming in at number 11 is DeepL, an advanced translation tool that's perfect for freelancers working with international clients or content. Now, if you've ever needed to translate documents or messages quickly and accurately, DeepL is a great solution. What really sets DeepL apart from other translation services is the ability to understand context and nuances in languages. For instance, let's say you're an English tutor communicating with non-English speaking students. DeepL can translate lesson materials or messages seamlessly while preserving the original meaning, something Google Translate struggles with massively. Plus, it supports multiple file formats, so whether it's a text document or presentation, DeepL has got you covered. Now, with its intuitive interface and high quality translations, your communications with clients around the globe will be clearer than ever. Next up is Amazon CodeWhisperer, an AI-powered coding assistant that makes life easier for developers everywhere. This tool suggests code snippets based on what you're currently working on and even identifies potential security vulnerabilities in real time. For example, Imagine you're building a web application and need some quick code for an API integration. CodeWhisperer can provide tailored suggestions as you type. This means less time searching through documentation and more time creating amazing applications. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Amazon Web Services APIs, making it a great choice for those already using Amazon services. Now, this tool is great, whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out. Alright, now into single digits. At number 9 is Notion AI, a fantastic addition to the Notion workspace that enhances productivity by helping users create content summaries and action items effortlessly. Now, if you're already using Notion for project management or note-taking, this feature will definitely take things up a notch. Picture this, you've just had a lengthy brainstorming session filled with great ideas, but now you need to input them into actionable tasks. Notion AI can help summarize those ideas into clear points, or even generate outlines for upcoming projects based on your notes. It's pretty much the equivalent of having a personal assistant who understands your way of thinking. Plus, because Notion allows collaboration among team members in real time, everything stays on the same page. Asana Intelligence. This is a powerful feature within Asana's project management platform that automates workflows and makes tracking projects easier than ever before. Now, if you're juggling multiple projects at once, and come on, who isn't? This tool will help keep everything organized. For the first time, you'll be able to automate status updates based on project progress without any effort. You'll be able to set triggers that automatically notify team members about changes or updates in real time, keeping everyone informed without constant back and forth emails. This not only saves time, but also reduces miscommunication among teams working remotely. So, it's a great option if you want to enhance collaboration and streamline project management processes. And number 7 is WorkifAI. Now, this is not just a tool, it's a toolkit designed specifically for freelancers to manage their projects effectively. This tool helps create timelines, draft proposals quickly, and stay organized throughout every stage of your projects. Let's say you're working as a freelance consultant. WorkifAI allows you to input project details and instantly generate polished proposals tailored to the client's needs. Plus, you won't have to start from scratch every time because you'll now have templates at your disposal that make creating professional documents super easy. Additionally, WorkifAI helps keep track of deadlines by visualizing timelines so that nothing falls through the cracks during busy periods when juggling multiple clients becomes, well, challenging. Next up is Timely, and this is a pretty cool tool that automates time tracking by monitoring how you spend your time across different applications. This is great for freelancers that charge hourly, because if you've ever struggled with logging hours manually after a long day of work, Timely will now take care of it for you. Let's say you want to be able to see exactly how much time you spend on client work versus administrative tasks. With this tool, it will track everything automatically, so at the end of each week or month, you have accurate reports ready to share with clients or use for invoicing purposes. This not only saves time, but also helps identify productivity patterns, allowing freelancers like you to actually optimize workflows based on actual data instead of just guesswork. Coming in at number 5 is Zapier, a powerful automation tool that connects over 6,600 apps without requiring any coding knowledge. Now, if you've ever wished that there was an easier way to automate repetitive tasks between different platforms, Zapier was built for exactly that. Picture this. You receive an email inquiry about a new project in Gmail. Instead of manually creating Trello cards every single time someone reaches out, you can set up a Zapier workflow that automatically creates those cards based on specific keywords found within incoming emails. This means less time spent managing the whereabouts of emails and more time spent ensuring that nothing gets overlooked. With just 4 remaining, it's time for Grammarly, an essential writing assistant designed to help polish your writing before hitting that send button. Now, this doesn't matter whether it's emails going out to clients or blog posts being published online. Grammarly provides real-time feedback on grammar mistakes, along with style suggestions tailored specifically towards improving overall clarity. Let's say you're creating an email proposal, only for it to go out riddled with typos. Grammarly catches those errors before they become embarrassing mistakes by providing instant feedback as you type. Plus, it offers suggestions based on tone, so whether a professional tone is needed or a casual friendly approach, it adapts accordingly, ensuring that every piece of writing reflects what you want to portray. Next up is Jasper, a content creation powerhouse, specifically designed for marketers in mind, looking for assistance generating high quality written content quickly. With templates available across various formats, including blogs, social media posts, and emails, it makes creating engaging material both efficient and effective. Now, if you're managing social media accounts across multiple platforms, instead of spending hours brainstorming post ideas, you simply input topics into Jasper and watch as it generates engaging copy tailored specifically towards each platform's audience. Because, as you know, each platform comes with a different style of what works and what doesn't work. At number 2, we have Lumen 5, an innovative video generation platform, allowing users to turn text documents and presentations into videos. Now, if you've ever wanted to create engaging visual content from written material but just didn't know where or even if you could start, Lumen 5 simplifies this whole process. Now you can transform blog posts into eye-catching videos, perfect for sharing across social media channels. It will select the right visuals and animations matching both themes and content provided, ensuring the final product looks, well, scroll-stopping. And finally, we arrive at number 1, Miro, a collaborative online whiteboard tool enabling teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of location and time zone differences. It allows real-time interaction among team members, contributing towards shared documents and projects effortlessly. Picture conducting virtual workshops where participants contribute ideas simultaneously via sticky notes and drawings displayed live. This makes it an ideal choice if you want to enhance productivity across remote teams. And there you have it, the top 14 AI tools every freelancer should be considering adding to their workflow in 2025. Now, each one has its own unique features. The question now remains is, which one's gonna work best for you?